guys, more goodies to share today. Let's start off with the Free with 60. It's the Sequence Mix by Picket Fence, and this one is called the Frozen Nutcracker. Very, very pretty. Perfect for your winter cards. So that'll pop into your cart if you're using the coupon code Jamie. So the postal shipping rates went up again. So I adjusted my free shipping to $45. So if you are in the US and you're spending $45, you will get the free shipping. So right now I do still have the special deal. Usually it's $60 for the free shipping. So right now for a limited time it will be $45. So I did get the odds and ends in for the Ghost Town collection. So wanted to share all those cute little images you get in there. 144 die cut pieces. Some really cute houses, and I love that little pumpkin patch stand right there. That's really cute. And then the Chit Chat is all your little speech bubbles and your little banners and little flags. Perfect to whip some cards up. And then the cute Doodlebug paper pad. Just adorable. I've got a lot of coordinating goodies to go with that. And then the pumpkin spice one, this one is my favorite. I did get the paper pads back in stock. I just had to. They're just so cute. And I have all the other little items that go along with it. The odds and ends, with all those cute images. 164 images, and then these you get 115 with all those sentiments. And then if you do spend $25 or more in Doodlebug products, you will receive this little cutie for free. He should pop into your cart if you're using the code Jamie. This is Roly Poly Pumpkin. So cute. And if you happen to be using a different code, it's not going to pop into your cart, the freebies, but I will add it to your order. This is the Happy Fall. This just came in. These two were on back order. And they just arrived. And look how cute those leaves are. And they're just so cute. So tiny and small. They all have little smiley faces. And I thought these are so cute to like kind of use as sequence when we put them on our cards and sprinkle them around. And then these little dots. That would just look super cute. And look at these little enamel dots to have smiley faces. And then this is super cute. So I'm glad this came in. You get a little donut, a cookie, a cupcake, and a cinnamon bun. And that one's called Fall Treats. The Sweet Treats stamp came in, so this goes with the Halloween collection. And then your pumpkin spice goes with the Pumpkin Spice collection, and so does this one, the Forest Friends. So all those stamps are in. Now I just have one of these. This is the Deckled Frame Die by Waffle Flower. I really liked it because it looks like torn paper, and then it has this window, I think it's 3 windows, that you could put in the center of your card, and then there's these other 2 shapes here. So I thought that was really cool. And then this gnome paper, this is a 5.5 by 8.5 inch paper. It's 80 pound smooth, and it's got cute little mushrooms and gnomes. And I thought it was super cute. I only have one. And then this one, Holiday Cheese by Waffle Flower. I thought it was super adorable. This one, I only have one as well. Then from Picket Fence Studio, I grabbed these mixed media spatulas. Perfect to have it in your stash if you're doing stenciling work. This is a really great stencil. This is from their new release. I just love all these rainbows. I could just imagine doing ombre, a bunch of different colors, glitter. And then we've got some stamps here. These are 4x4 stamp sets. I loved this image here with the coffee cups in the holder, and then the sentiments read, "Coffee is always better with a friend. Today's good mood is sponsored by coffee." And then this one was super adorable. This is called Honey Dear, and I just loved her. I loved her how she's posing, and she's mixing up a batch of honey there, and that little bee is so sweet. Kind words are like honey, sweet for the soul. Isn't that cute? So this is the 6x6 stencil that goes perfect with that stamp set. Little honeycomb. And we have a 6x6 stamp set called Wherever You Go. And I thought the scene was really pretty. Just reminds me of going on vacation to a little cottage. We have sentiments welcome. We have been thinking of you, and you bring life wherever you go. And I do have this as a single stamp and available as a bundle, and I only have one of each. And this is called Merry Mantle. It's a new stamp set from Concord in 9th, and I thought these were so cute as stockings, these little socks. And you can decorate that mantle. It also comes with these sentiments here. So that is what I have. You guys, come back on the 23rd. I have something special to share with you, something awesome to show you, and we're gonna have a giveaway too. So make sure you visit me on the 23rd of October, and I can't wait to see you guys there. Bye guys.